Hello, I'm here with your car. So our noise is coming from right here. So you see where this two sections of exhaust pipe join? The fastener rotted away and it's allowing exhaust to leak through that spot there. That's why there's all this soot here. So that one is a simple fix. I can just bolt it back together, probably even reuse that gasket, and we'll be all set. In the future, this spot right here, closer to the engine, is called a flex pipe. It is starting to fail. This is a common failure with these cars. So I would expect in the next 2 years you'll have to deal with that one. It's not crazy expensive, but you'll hear the same thing or louder from the exhaust when it fails. Okay, thanks.